bet $7.
That is $7.
Snap call.
Call, 1, 4, 5 fold, 6 call.
I'm sorry, Lisa.
And 7 fold.
I'm never going to do it again. I promise.
Trips for Brittany. Pair for Skull Mike. And Bronny's got a queen with spades. This could get big if somebody decides to put some money in here.
Blackjack. 21.
Skull Mike's going to regret this bet one way or another. Bronny makes the call. Brittany. Sitting on a short stack, though. Does she need to raise? Doesn't matter. She's going to do it anyway. I'm okay with the raise. Can really easily get the money in on the river. Probably going to get a taker from one of these two gentlemen.
A fold.
Fold 8.
Mike, you give me some shit, then you fold. That's how you are.
You got to handle this with Brittany.
Quads. Running quads for Brittany versus top boat. There's the all-in. Bronny.
Oh, Brittany. Let me see one.
You ain't going to see shit, Bronny. Well, you might be able to see one.
Bronny's thinking about it?
I want to see the other one. Oh, gosh. I fold.
Wow! Bronny folded? Are you kidding me?
How do you
supposed to show me the other
queen?
Folds top boat?
Well, I was in a flush.
I'm in the big blind.
Gotta have quads?
What else is she gonna repop on the turn?
Yeah, I would never have done that if I knew that would be the river.
You are insane. You're banned from the stream.
That was the craziest fold I've ever seen. I thought Brittany was getting paid the absolute maximum.
But for
What a fold.
it's a great but insane fold.
You're not
Good
supposed to.
hand, Brittany.
Thank you. Good fold.
If it was you, I would have snap called you.
Thank you for that respect.
I deserve more respect than getting a fold there.
Jeez. Wow.
Brittany's offended.
No, that's true though. Like raising
yeah.
turn.